Hello and welcome to the video. My name is Jed Albring, and in this video I'm going to show you the ClickFunnels Marketplace. So obviously you're searching for the ClickFunnels Marketplace. If you are new to ClickFunnels and you've heard about a marketplace, this is going to be a great little tutorial for you. It's going to open up a lot of doors for you as far as what's possible within ClickFunnels, and I'm going to show you the free and the paid options within the marketplace. And if you're a ClickFunnels user and you've yet to explore the marketplace, this is going to be helpful for you as well. So when you're inside your dashboard, you simply click on the button that says ClickFunnels. Now, funnels here, this is going to be your existing funnels. And then you have build a funnel, obviously, where you can build either from the cookbook, where they help you kind of put the recipe together, so to speak, of your funnel, whether it's an opt-in landing page, or you can build from scratch. But the funnel marketplace, I like to use this a lot for share funnels. So if I have a client, or if I'm doing a video like I'm doing now, and I want to do, say, a real estate funnel or membership funnel or product launch funnel, I'll go through and look through these, find some nice examples. Like here's a video sales level funnel. I can get an idea of, okay, this is pretty nice, this is pretty sharp. I could download this and then, change the logo a little bit, change the color, and then I could use this as a share funnel, meaning I could simply, once I say get template, it's going to automatically load into my account for free, and I'll have the funnel right there ready to go, all the steps. I can use it as is or change it, and then I can share this funnel with a client or with other people, and then when they upload this funnel, it either triggers them to start a free trial of ClickFunnels, or they can simply just use it as a end user. So here you get a snapshot, kind of overview of everything here. Talks about what is a funnel, what is ClickFunnels, and then featured consultant means this is somebody who builds funnels. This is pretty cool. So you have some people in here who are really, really good at building funnels, and then you have some so-so funnels, if we're going to be honest. But you can see here on the left-hand side, you have all different types: opt-in, sales, membership funnels, product launch, sales, video sales, ebook funnels, sports funnels, tripwire, freebook, real estate. You get the picture here. It goes on and on. Now, keep in mind that it doesn't matter whether it says sales funnel, freebook funnel. If it's kind of in tune with what you're trying to do, you can change as needed. But some of these are super, super nice. So here's a really nice free plus shipping tripwire funnel. Now, it's $147. Chances are this is a pretty sharp funnel. I mean, look at this. This is a beautiful, beautiful funnel. I would pay $147 for this, no problem. And you can make changes as you need. So let's say you have a client that wants you to build a free plus shipping funnel. I mean, you could buy this template for $147, make a few tweaks to have it fit their branding, and turn around and sell it for 10 times the price. That's what's really cool about funnels. And you have the reviews. But definitely ClickFunnels Marketplace is one of the most underused things out there. I don't know why people are not using it more. And I like to go from low to high and then just kind of look at all the free ones here. And 9 out of 10 times, I don't think I've ever paid for a funnel. I think the most I paid was like $7 or $10 if I really had to have it. Other than that, most of these free ones, as you can see, are pretty much all you're really going to need. But they're super sharp, put together, and that's it. And I would just hit, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to load this into my account, but all I would do is simply hit boom, get template, and it would load. Custom design, right? You can get people to do custom designs for you. So these are certified ClickFunnels designers. So they've gone through the certification with ClickFunnels, and you also have certified partners. You can look at the different industries, and these are people that can build. You can also look by location. People, if you really want, a really unique funnel built for you. And then if you want to become a seller, let's say you have funnels. You can build a funnel within ClickFunnels and then simply start selling it in here. Now, I'm sure there's some approval and stuff that goes through that process, but I do know a few guys and girls that are doing it, and it's like I said, it's a very underused resource. So that is ClickFunnels Marketplace. Again, all you are going to find, for the most part, if you're looking to get a funnel to use for your business, there are tons and tons of wonderful free options here. And then you can always go for the paid options. You can find funnels from $7 to several $100. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're new to ClickFunnels and you'd like to try it out, I will put a link below where you can get a 14-day free trial, and you can start messing around with these free funnels in the ClickFunnels marketplace. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share.